Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. All smash deployed!
Semakin besar ketakutanmu, semakin kecil dirimu.
Tunggu saya.
Abdikan diri asal jangan jadi budak.
Request backup! Ally has been slain. Request backup!
Kata lain untuk komplain adalah kegagalan.
Initiate retreat! You have been slain. An enemy has double kill!
Jadi, kamu tertarik
Launch
dengan
attack.
sihir?
An enemy has been slain. Spell in cooldown. Ult is
Aku
not
tahu
ready.
siapa. Dan sebentar lagi kamu juga
Ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Attack! Backup! Ally has been slain. You have slain an enemy.
Ayo lihat
Initiate
siapa yang
retreat.
akan tertawa paling akhir.
Request backup. An enemy has been slain.
Jadi, kamu tertarik dengan
Double
proyek?
kill. Initiate retreat first. An enemy has been slain. Initiate retreat.
mengubah
Launch
dunia.
attack. Killing spree. Your team destroyed a turret. Thank you. Initiate launch attack. Request backup. You have slain an enemy. Launch attack. Request backup. Your team destroyed a turret. Request backup. Double kill. Your team ally has slain the turtle. Godlike. Launch attack.
Batasanmu bukanlah sihir, tetapi cara menggunakan.
Killing spree. Initiate retreat. Ally has been slain. Killing spree. Legendary.
Abdikan dirimu pada sihir, asal jangan jadi
Launch
budak.
attack. Push first. Mega kill. Double kill. Battle spell request backup. Request backup. Your team destroyed a turret. Launch
Batasanmu
attack.
bukanlah
Attack the
sihir,
Lord.
tetapi caramu
Attack the Lord.
menggunakan.
Initiate. Superb
tanking!
Legendary. Battle spell ready.
siapa yang akan tertawa paling akhir?
Initiate retreat. Request backup.